Have you ever wondered what data science is and how to become a data scientist? Well, today, we're on a journey to demystify just that. In this video, we're going to provide a comprehensive roadmap that paves the way to becoming a data scientist. We'll take a deep dive into what data science really is, why it's so crucial in today's digital age, and the promising job prospects in this field. We'll also explore how you can venture into data science without a formal degree, why Python is the go-to language for many data scientists, and how to market yourself in this competitive field. We'll guide you through the resources you need, both free and paid, to kickstart your learning journey. We'll even touch on the optional skills that can give you an edge and the importance of platforms like Git and Github. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of data science. First things first, what exactly is data science? Well, think of it as a magical lantern in the vast darkness of information. It's a discipline that shines a light on the raw, unprocessed data, transforming it into meaningful insights. But how does this happen? Let's break it down. Data science is a blend of various fields like mathematics, statistics, and computer science. It's like a detective story where data scientists play the role of the detective and data is the scene of the crime. They seek patterns, draw inferences, and extract relevant information from the sea of data. But it's not just about numbers and algorithms, it's about asking the right questions. Data scientists start with a hypothesis or question that needs answering. They then use their tools, programming languages, statistical models, machine learning algorithms, to hunt for the answer in the data. Take, for example, a retail store trying to understand its customers' shopping behavior. A data scientist might ask, what products are frequently bought together? They'll then dive into the data, sifting through thousands, if not millions, of transactions to find patterns. The result? The store can now offer better product bundles and improve sales. Data science is also about storytelling. Once the data has been analyzed, it's the data scientist's job to communicate their findings in a way that everyone can understand. They create visual representations of the data graphs, charts, heat maps that tell a story, making the complex simple. But the beauty of data science doesn't end there. It's not just about understanding the past or the present, it's about predicting the future. By feeding past data into machine learning models, data scientists can forecast trends, anticipate customer needs, and even predict stock market movements. Now that we have a basic understanding of data science, let's explore its importance. So, why is data science important? Well, data science is a powerhouse of insights. It's like a compass in the vast ocean of raw data, guiding businesses to make informed decisions. Companies across various industries, from healthcare to retail, finance, and beyond, employ data science to understand their customers, optimize operations, and predict future trends. Ever wondered how your favorite online store seems to know just what you want? That's data science at work, analyzing your browsing patterns and purchase history to recommend products you might like. Or how about when your credit card company detects a fraudulent transaction? That's data science too, using predictive models to spot anomalies. Data science can also play a pivotal role in healthcare, helping to predict disease outbreaks or improve patient care. It's also a key player in the world of finance, where it aids in risk assessment and investment strategies. In fact, in today's digital age, data is the new oil, and data science is the refinery, transforming this raw resource into valuable insights. With such importance, it's no surprise that there are ample job opportunities in this field. What kind of job prospects does data science offer? Data science is a vast field with a plethora of opportunities, each with its own unique set of requirements and benefits. Take data scientists, for instance. They are the detectives of the data science world, uncovering and interpreting complex behaviors, trends, and inferences from raw data. A strong foundation in statistical analysis, programming languages, and machine learning frameworks is key to thriving in this role. Then, we have data analysts. These professionals transform data into a language that everyone in a business can understand. They help inform decision-making by interpreting and transforming data. Familiarity with programming languages, statistical tools, and data visualization are crucial skills for this role. Machine learning engineers are the builders of the data science world. They design algorithms that help computers make predictions based on data. This role requires expertise in programming languages, machine learning frameworks, and an understanding of how to implement algorithms effectively. And let's not forget business intelligence analysts. They play a pivotal role in making business decisions by analyzing data trends and providing actionable insights. Strong business acumen combined with knowledge of data analysis tools is vital for this role. The demand for these roles is on the rise as companies across sectors realize the value of data-driven decision-making. And the beauty of data science is its applicability across industries. Whether it's healthcare, finance, retail, or technology, data scientists are in high demand. But here's the million-dollar question. So, can you become a data scientist without a degree? Let's find out. Is it possible to become a data scientist without a degree? You may be surprised to hear that the answer is a resounding yes. While formal education can provide a structured pathway and deep theoretical knowledge, it isn't the only route to becoming a data scientist. In today's digital age, self-learning has never been more accessible. There's a wealth of online resources at your fingertips. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer comprehensive courses in data science, often taught by industry professionals or university professors. These courses cover everything from basic statistics and programming languages to advanced machine learning techniques. But online courses are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a plethora of books, blogs, podcasts, and even YouTube channels dedicated to data science. They can provide valuable insights and practical tips, often from those who are already working in the field. However, mastering the theory isn't enough. Real-world experience is invaluable. Consider working on personal projects or finding internships. These experiences allow you to apply your knowledge, encounter real-world problems, and discover how to solve them. They also give you tangible proof of your skills, something you can show off to potential employers. Participating in data science competitions, like those on Kaggle, can also be a great way to gain practical experience. Not only do these competitions provide interesting, real-world problems to solve, but they also give you the chance to learn from other participants and even gain some recognition in the data science community. Remember, the field of data science is constantly evolving. So whether you have a degree or not, continuous learning is key. Stay curious, stay motivated, and never stop learning. Now let's discuss why Python is often the language of choice for data scientists. Why is Python commonly used in data science? Well, the answer lies in its simplicity, versatility, and rich library support. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. Python's simplicity makes it accessible for beginners. It's almost like reading English. This simplicity doesn't compromise its power, though. In fact, Python is versatile enough to handle everything from data manipulation to machine learning. And then there's Python's extensive library support. Libraries are like pre-packaged bits of code that you can use to perform specific tasks, saving you the trouble of writing code from scratch. Python boasts libraries for everything you could need in data science. Want to perform numerical computations? There's NumPy. Need data analysis? Say hello to Pandas. Machine learning? Meet scikit-learn and TensorFlow. In a nutshell, Python is like a one-stop shop for all your data science needs. Its simplicity, versatility, and library support make it a popular choice among data scientists around the globe. Knowing Python is a great start, but how do you market yourself as a data scientist? How can you stand out as a data scientist? In a world teeming with data enthusiasts, it's crucial to elevate your professional presence. Let's begin with LinkedIn, your digital handshake to the world. A strong LinkedIn profile is more than just a digital resume. It's a platform to showcase your expertise, engage with other professionals, and stay updated on industry trends. But remember, it's not just about listing skills and experiences. Share your thoughts on data science, contribute to discussions, and don't shy away from showcasing your projects. It's the stories you tell, the insights you share, that make you memorable. Now let's talk about study groups. Joining study groups not only offers opportunities for collaborative learning, but also helps you build a robust professional network. You can discuss ideas, solve problems together, and learn from diverse perspectives. Plus, it's an excellent way to stay motivated on your learning journey. Speaking of learning, let's not forget the power of projects. Projects are your opportunity to translate theory into practice. Whether it's a predictive model or a data visualization, projects demonstrate your ability to apply data science concepts to real-world scenarios. It's your portfolio that tells potential employers, hey, I can do this. And finally, let's talk about Python libraries. Mastering Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib is akin to adding more arrows to your quiver. It not only enhances your efficiency, but also broadens your scope of solving data-related problems. Remember, marketing yourself as a data scientist is not just about flaunting skills, it's about demonstrating your passion for data, your ability to learn and adapt, and your commitment to adding value through your work. Now let's talk about resources for learning data science. Where can you learn data science? That's a question many of you might be wondering. The good news is, there are plenty of resources available, both free and paid, to set you on the path of becoming a data science expert. Online courses are a popular choice for many. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer comprehensive data science courses, some of which are even taught by professors from world-renowned universities. These courses often range from beginner to advanced levels, allowing you to progress at your own pace. If you're more of a bookworm, there's no shortage of books dedicated to data science. Python for Data Analysis by Wes McKinney and The Elements of Statistical Learning by Trevor Hasty and Robert Tibshirani are just a couple of examples. These books offer a deep dive into the theories and practices of data science and can serve as excellent reference materials throughout your journey. Study groups are another great resource. They provide an environment where you can discuss ideas, solve problems together, and learn from each other. You can find these groups on platforms like Meetup or even on social media sites like LinkedIn. Now let's not forget about the importance of practical projects. Theory is important, but applying what you've learned through projects is what really cements your knowledge. Kaggle is a great platform for this, where you can participate in data science competitions and work on real-world problems. Finally, as you gain more proficiency in data science, you might want to consider transitioning into machine learning. This involves designing algorithms to make predictions based on data, and it's a valuable skill in today's digital world. To wrap up, let's look at some optional skills for data scientists and the importance of Git and GitHub. Opening. What other skills can benefit a data scientist? Well, in addition to Python, knowledge of other programming languages like R, Java, or SQL can certainly give you an edge. Each of these languages has its own strengths and can be used in different aspects of data science. For instance, R is great for statistical analysis and data visualization, while SQL is essential for database management and data extraction. Understanding specialized machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch can also add weight to your profile. These frameworks enable you to implement complex machine learning algorithms with ease, saving you from the trouble of writing lengthy codes. Now, let's talk about Git and GitHub. You might wonder, how are these relevant to data science? Well, Git is a version control system that allows you to track changes in your code, making it easier to collaborate and manage large projects. GitHub, on the other hand, is a web-based hosting service for Git repositories. It's a platform where you can showcase your work, contribute to open-source projects, and collaborate with other data scientists around the globe. Imagine it as a social network for programmers. Mastering Git and GitHub can tremendously boost your productivity and expand your network. It's an excellent way to demonstrate your coding skills and your ability to work as part of a team. Plus, employers often look at a candidate's GitHub profile to assess their coding proficiency and involvement in the data science community. So, while these skills might be optional, they can significantly enhance your profile and open up new opportunities in the field of data science. Closing. With this roadmap, you are now well-equipped to start your journey as a data scientist. Remember, the field of data science is vast and ever-evolving, so never stop learning. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. We've explored the fascinating world of data science, understanding its importance in today's digital age, and the promising job prospects it offers. We've discussed how you can enter this field even without a degree, and how learning Python can be your stepping stone into data science. Remember, marketing yourself as a data scientist involves showcasing your understanding of Python libraries, your projects, and your continuous learning efforts. You have a variety of resources available, both free and paid, to help you master data science. And don't forget the optional skills and the power of Git and GitHub in managing your projects. But above all, the key to becoming a successful data scientist lies in your passion for learning. This field is ever evolving, and staying ahead means staying updated. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing your boundaries. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring the world of data science.